Here we have angle TRQ. What is angle TRQ?
Sir, half of angle.
It is
angle PRS, sir.
it is half of angle PRS नहीं है.
Yes.
No. No. Sum of angle PRQ plus half of angle PRS. ऑब्जर्व करो ठीक सा. PRQ भी आएगा और हाफ ऑफ दिस पोर्शन भी आएगा. सही है या नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes,
PRQ भी आएगा और ये पोर्शन भी आएगा. ये पूरा मिला के है. दिस इज द टोटल वन हमको. सो QTR एंगल QTR प्लस ये PQR तो हाफ ऑफ PQR तो y है. सो हाफ y आएगा प्लस एंगल TRQ. PRQ z है प्लस हाफ ऑफ x प्लस y है. एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, sir.
हाफ ऑफ x प्लस y है ना. क्यों? एंगल PRS से है ना यहाँ पे. 2r and 2r equals to x plus y. r angle PRS is equals to
Yes, sir. Correct.
x plus.
Half of 2. Half of
So-
x plus y.
So z plus half of x plus y. This total is 180 degrees. Now angle QTR यहाँ पे half y, तो half y, z यहाँ पे half x
Plus
और
half
यहाँ
y.
पे half y equals to 180 degrees. So ये half y पूरा मिला के z मीन पूरा y हो जाएगा
Y.
ना. So that y, this is half x I am keeping as it is. That y I am sending here, and this z also I am sending here. Okay. So angle QTR ये 180 से माइनस y माइनस z क्या मिलता है आपको?
Plus z.
ये y
plus
इधर
y
आने से
minus
और
z.
z इधर आने
X.
से क्या मिलेगा आपको?
X, sir.
x मिलता है. So half x QTR is half x equals to x minus half x, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So QTR is equals to x minus half x is
Sir,
half x only, na?
angle PQR, sir.
So that is what to be proved ना. आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you take either this way assumptions and simplify your thinking. Thinking will become simple when there are some single letters. If you are using 3-letter notation, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होगा. Okay. This is accepted. Therefore, QTR. అయ్యో దీంతో రాయలేం నాన్న. ఇది వేరేది కంప్యూటర్ పెన్ ఇది. QTR equals to half of angle QPR. This is the final proof result. Okay. With this I have completed exercise 6.3 and all the questions from your textbook. Okay. And Next, we will have 8 MCQ questions. Shall I complete them today and complete this chapter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Put the thumbs up, children, if it is fine, and I will complete this entire.
After this, will you take class, sir?
See, you will be returning back on 10th of November. I mean, 10th of November.
11th, sir.
11th.
11th.
11th,
Okay,
sir.
you will be returning on 11th, and your exam somewhere starts from 30th November onwards. Okay, and I have one and only one chapter, that is properties of triangles and its properties, to be completed for the first term. So the moment you come back, I may do that chapter if you want. Otherwise, I can complete and do revisions during those 20 days for the first term, whichever is beneficial. I am preferring completing prior, at least making as videos, and I'll post it in YouTube. The moment you come back, if you have watched that videos, we will do revision. Okay?
Will you
Yes.
complete in school,
Doing
sir?
Sir.
revision is more beneficial. During the 20 days, if we do revision of all the first term chapters, whichever are there, then we will have some sort of like churning done. We will have good scoring possibility. Okay?
Sir, you take like this classes only, no, sir?
That's what. Either I will take this way or I will make videos and post. This way, if I take, it takes like a per day, I may make maximum 1 or 2 classes. If I do videos and post, I may do in 2-3 days only entire chapter. So I can make in a day 4-5 videos and post it in 2 days entire chapter. That's what happens. The difference is that. Okay. So let us see. Depends on our time availability. I'll be to complete your syllabus. I am actually staying back, and I have got some other works to complete it. I stayed back. Tomorrow I may travel back to my hometown, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, both the days I will not take classes. If at all I am taking classes, let us see on Monday onwards. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I'll make a videos and post it. That's another option of mine. See you, children. See you first. Let me complete first. Let us complete MCQ type questions today. 8 MCQ questions. Yeah, let's get back. Yeah. Question number 1. If two interior angles on the same side of a transversal intersects two parallel lines are in the ratio 2:3, then the greater angle of these two angles is option A, B, C, D. Here, 2 parts plus 3 parts is 180 degrees.
Sir, option B,
Definitely 5
108
parts,
degree.
180 degrees. So
Sir,
P
option B,
equals to
108.
36, and we are looking for greater. So 3 parts, what are
108
looking?
degrees, sir.
Yeah, it is 118, 8.
8 degrees, sir. 8.
Option B is the right option. Okay. Next, question number 1. In the figure, AB parallel to CD and ABCD both are parallel to EF. Now A, B, C, D, EF are parallel to themselves, parallel to each other. I mean, even PQ parallel to RS. PQ parallel to RS. That means like this. Okay, PQ parallel to RS. If I extend, they look like this. Now, angle RQD 25 degrees. Angle CQP 60 degrees. Then QRS compulsory 25, and If this is 60, this is 60. If this is 60, then
This one 60.
this is 120, and therefore this is 120. So what is the answer? QRS is 25 plus 120. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Could you observe? Just by extension, I have solved. Yeah, question number 2. Question number 2. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, then the triangle is. Tell me. Hmm?
Isosceles, sir.
Isosceles.
If one angle
No,
of a
sir.
triangle
Right
is
triangle,
equal
sir.
to
Right triangle.
right triangle is right answer. In a triangle, if one angle is sum of the other two angles, okay, this is x plus y, okay, it becomes 2x plus 2y equals to 180, correct na? And x plus y equals to 90. 2 common, 2 of x plus y, 2 if it goes 180 by 2, it is 90. So it's right triangle is right answer. Any doubt, children? If you have doubt, put thumbs down. If you have understood, put a thumbs up. Yeah, that's good. So in a triangle, ABC, if I take angle sum property, this comes. Okay. I just skipped some steps, nothing else. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3. An exterior angle of a triangle is 105. And its two interior opposite angles are equal.
Sir, option B.
Okay. Its two interior angles are equal.
Sir, option
Means,
B.
yes, 2x equals to 105 and x equals to 52.5 degree. Okay. So each of these angles is 52.5. Next question number 4. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:3:7. Very simple. So 15 parts equals to 180 degrees. So one part equal to 12 degrees. Correct na? The triangle is.
An
You
acute
need not do
angle
all
triangle.
this. It's an what type of triangle it is?
Sir, acute angled
No,
triangle.
Triangle, sir.
no. Isosceles, definitely two angles equal.
No, sir.
Sir, acute angle triangle.
Acute angles.
Yes, sir.
Obtuse, let us check. Okay, depending on. So,
Sir, the
7,
biggest angle is
12 by
12
60.
okay,
72 degrees, sir.
84 degrees. Correct na?
So,
So none of the
so
angle
it's
is more
acute angle, sir.
equal to right, Gaya. None of the angle is more than 90
More.
AB, Gaya. Or if any two angles are equal, definitely that triangle becomes isosceles. Here, AB, Gaya.
AB.
So, यही है.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Elimination technique I am using. Why I found only 7 times of 12?
Sir, because it is
Highest,
the
sir.
highest angle.
Yes.
highest
Correct
than
ना?
all.
So पहला
sir.
तो ये आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल नहीं है करके मुझे पता है, तो पहला यही क्रॉस कर देता हूं. इस दोनों में कौन सा है इससे चेक कर दिया. So this is elimination technique we use, and I need not to prove and show or anything. I'll just solve it. To find ABCD, I'll do this much work only. Are you understanding how to do in NTSC exams, how to do it in your UPSC, NDSEC? Yeah. Question number 5. If one of the angle of a triangle is 130, then the angle between the then the angle between the bisectors of other two angles can be half of it, 65 degrees. Why? I proved it already. Isn't it? Correct or not?
How, sir?
Yes, sir, you
Not
proved, sir.
This is the one, na? No, not this question. This is the one, na?
Sir, not understood the questions.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Figure is also not given, sir.
See here, in a triangle, bisectors of other two angles. This is 62.
Sir, not this, sir.
Not this one, not this one. Let's check. What is the question? Question kahan pe hai?
Sir, you only make figures, sir.
Yeah. If one of the angle of a triangle is 130 degrees, okay, A, B, C. Then the angle between the bisectors of other two angles. Then the angle between
Sir,
the
155 degree is answer, sir.
let's see.
Sir, means sum of other two angles will be 50 degrees, sir.
यहाँ पे बाइसेक्टर. सो यहाँ पे ये तो यहाँ पे
Sir, sum
हमको
of these other
Yeah.
two angles will be 50 degrees, sir.
यस ये
Then
x है, ये y है, तो 2x plus 2y equals to 50 degrees, x plus y equals to 25 degrees. Correct?
Yes, sir. Third angle will be 155 degrees, sir.
Then the angle between the angle between the bisectors, मतलब इस दोनों का बीच में a angle है ना? इसका बारे में पूछ रहा है.
Yes, it will be 155, sir.
Sir, they are asking about other two angles, sir.
So this is the right answer. Then the angle between the bisectors. So ये bisector इसका और इसका बीच में जो एंगल बनता है, तो ये एंगल का बारे में पूछ रहा है. तो which is 180 minus of x plus y. क्योंकि एक ट्राइंगल बन जाएगा BOC. In a triangle BOC, angle BOC is 180 minus angle OBC plus angle OCB. So 180 minus x और y का सम यही बनता है ना. तो ये तो 25 आ गया ऑलरेडी. So 180 minus 25, so it is 155 degrees. Okay, have you understood this, children?
Here you should subtract
Yes,
two
sir.
times, no, sir. 25, sir.
No. Why, Piyush? Why to subtract two times?
Sir, here angles is formed, sir. B between, sir. What is this, sir?
देखो हमको यहाँ पे
Sir, draw a little big figure, sir. He will understand clearly, sir.
Okay. पहला दिस इज 130 डिग्रीज। मालूम हुआ?
Yes, sir.
या ये तो ट्रायंगल ए बी सी बन गया और इसका बीच में हम बाइसेक्टर ऑफ दिस एंगल्स ड्रा कर रहे हैं। ये एक आ गया जहां पे एंगल्स हाफ हाफ बनता है और यहाँ पे ये एंगल एक्स और ये एंगल एक्स बन गया। यहाँ पे एंगल बी दो भाग हो गया। तो ये है ट्रायंगल बी ओ सी। ओके, अब इस एंगल को हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे। कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? एंगल बी ओ सी
Half of angle
हाफ कैसा?
ACB.
एंगल बी ओ सी इज 180 माइनस द सम ऑफ एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल को इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं इन
Yes, sir.
ट्रायंगल बी ओ सी। Angle BOC is 180 minus the other two angles. Which are the other two angles? OBC,
Sir, x
X हो
plus
गया,
And
y.
OCB, sir.
OCB, OCB वो तो Y हो गया।
Yes, sir.
तो एक 180 से हम x प्लस वाई को निकालना है। x प्लस वाई को, x प्लस वाई कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? इन
Half of ACB.
ट्रायंगल ABC, एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इज 180 डिग्रीज। तो एंगल A तो 130 डिग्रीज है, एंगल B 2 टाइम्स x है और एंगल C 2 टाइम्स y है। सो 130 उधर गया, सो 2 ऑफ x प्लस वाई, इसमें x प्लस वाई में 2 कॉमन लिया, इक्वल्स टू 180 माइनस 130 इज 50 डिग्रीज। सो 2 अगर यहाँ पे गुणाकार करने वाला उस तरफ करने से, सो x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 25 बनेगा।
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
तो x प्लस वाई एक ही बार निकालना है ना। सो एंगल BOC इज 155 डिग्रीज। और क्या
Yes.
पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे? द एंगल बिटवीन द बाइसेक्टर्स। तो इस BO इज अ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल B, CO इज अ बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल C। इस दोनों का बीच का एंगल है पूछ रहा है, वही तो 155 पूछ रहा है। ओके,
Yes, sir.
या तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। बताइए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। क्या आंसर है?
Sir, 20.
वाई
20 degrees, sir.
Sir,
7x
4x plus 3x is
is
equal to
equals to
7x. 7x plus
40
is equal to
degrees is
140,
equal to 180 degrees.
so the value of x is 20। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, शायद आपको ऐसा फिगर भी याद होगा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करके मैं बताया हूँ 6.2 में
Sir,
था।
60 degree.
60 degrees, sir.
PQR पता है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this
answer
was
is-
in exercise also.
आंसर इज
60 degrees.
Q। हाउ?
Sir, we should draw a parallel to line PO and RS.
लाइन PO और RS को पैरेलल ड्रा करेंगे। ओके,
Through Q, sir. Point Q.
ओके, लाइक दिस,
Yes,
like
sir.
this. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
And the transversal is this, sir.
after drawing, what happens?
Sir, angle Q, sir.
ये तो 50 बन जाएगा।
Sir, angle PQ.
RQ. Let us name this AB. So
Yes. Angle AQP will
PRQB
60
50 हो गया।
degrees.
ये तो कितना बनेगा अब?
60. Sorry, 70 degrees.
अब एक कितना आएगा?
60 degrees, sir.
ओके, मालूम हुआ अब कैसा आएगा? Good. Next question, last question. Question number 8. Angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:4:3.
Sir, 40 degree.
Sir, B
Hmm.
40 degree.
40 degrees, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
please
sir.
show
Yes.
previous question, sir.
बताइए पीयूष.
Yes, sir. How 50 came, sir?
130, 50.
Angles on the same side of the transversal
Cointer
is
angles.
supplementary.
Cointer
Yes, sir.
angles.
Yes, sir.
Next. ये आंसर पता है?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 9 parts equals to 180 degrees. So 1 part equals to?
20 degrees, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 40, 80 and 60.
Yes. So smallest we are looking for. So 2 parts equals to 40 degrees. That's it. So with this, 8 MCQ type questions also got over. Okay, children?
Okay,
And
sir.
see, children,
sir.
there are questions of the type with reasoning. Okay. Case study type, and we will be having in physics. Amino sir has given now.
Yes, sir.
Assertion and reasoning type. So you prepare yourself for that type of questions also. Let OA, OB, OC, OD are race in the anti-clockwise direction. Like this. Okay, here. OA, OB, OC, OD, angle AOB, and angle COD, 100 degrees each. Thus, what is AC? Angle BOC, 82 degrees.
Sir, they are not lines, sir. They are not lines, sir, because both pair of vertically opposite angles should be equal, sir.
Yes. Is it true to say that angle AOC and angle BOD are
No,
lines?
sir.
Okay. AOC is not a line. Why? Because vertical opposite angles. If I want to say OB
Sir,
should be a
vertical.
ray standing on a straight line, means 82 plus 100 must be 180. Here this sum must be 180. This sum must be 180. This sum must be 180. So sum of any two adjacent angles is not 180. Definitely AOC is not a line. BOD is not a line. Okay, such.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ
What happened, Chandru?
Converse.
So sum of any two adjacent angles must be 180 if I want to say that the non-common sides of two adjacent angles forming a straight line. That process, that theorem we will use. Okay. So question number 2. A transversal intersects two lines in such a way that two interior angles on the same side of a transversal are equal. Okay. Here, in a transversal intersects two lines such a way that the two interior angles on the same side of transversal are equal. Two interior angles on the same side of a transversal are equal. Will the two lines be parallel? Give reason
Yes,
for
sir,
your
because
answers.
it will be 90 degree, 90 degree like
In
that.
general, the two lines will not be parallel because the sum of two angles will not always be 180 degrees. Lines will be parallel when each angle is equal to 90 alone. Co-interior angles sum should be 180, where co-interior angles, if one is equal to the other, unless until that angles become each 90 degrees, it cannot be parallel. We may have a figure like where like this, it may be, both angles may be equal. Understood? They may be equal. If they are not equal to 90, if each is not equal to 90, then these lines need not be parallel, na? Chandru? Have you understood, Chandru?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we cannot straight away say they are parallel.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are the reasoning type. So little thinking type. Okay. Based on that, so many questions are there. I will be posting this. Did I post it already? These exemplar problems of this chapter.
No, sir.
I'll post it now in your WhatsApp groups. So go through this exercise 6.2 where reasoning type questions are there. Okay. So we'll start in our next class, new chapter, and not tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Both the days we don't have classes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take care. Bye.
sir.
Bye bye, children.
Bye, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir.
nice day, sir.
Thank you and wish you the
Yes,
same,
sir.
children.
Sir, you did not go to your hometown, sir?
Yet I have not gone, dear. Yet to go. Got stuck with
Which
little
is
work of
village,
school
sir?
as well as this class I wanted to finish.
Sir, which is your hometown, sir?
Near Bangalore. Just a minute.